out the Model 11s first. Oh yeah, look at those. Those are pretty nice. Oh yeah, nice satisfying click to them. Made in Germany. Nice finish to them. They got a little cool push button style safety, or double lock, I shouldn't say safety. See where my mind is here. Let's take one of these keys off and give that a try. Even the key's pretty neat looking. Nice little key, well made. Oh, I'm not sure if this is the one I double locked. Yeah, it is. So, let's see, that's double lock removed. Oh yeah, I think it's all one motion, one direction.